Boundary. Limit. The river serves as the boundary between the two countries. Exploit. To take advantage of for personal gain. Some companies exploit cheap labor in developing countries. Dynamic. Constantly changing. The dynamic leader inspired the team to achieve their goals. Perceive. To become aware of through the senses. The artist wanted the viewers to perceive the emotion in the painting. Neutral. Unbiased. The mediator remained neutral during the negotiation process. Viable. Capable of success. The project is viable and has the potential for significant profits. Stimulate. To encourage. The new art exhibit will stimulate creativity among visitors. Probe. To investigate. The scientist will probe the depths of the ocean for new discoveries. Legitimate. Lawful. The company provides legitimate reasons for the price increase. Articulate. To express thoughts and ideas clearly. The candidate was able to articulate his position on the issue. Imply. Indicate indirectly. His comments imply that he is not happy with the decision. STM. To regard with respect and admiration. The actor is held in high esteem by his fans. Insight. A deep understanding. The book provides valuable insights into human behavior. Condensa. To make denser. As he managed to condense a 500-page book into a 10-minute presentation. Coverty. Secretive. The covert operation was executed without attracting attention. Assess. Estimate the value. The teacher will assess the student's performance through tests. Intricate. Complex. The intricate design of the jewelry impressed the art enthusiasts. Succinct. Brief and to the point. The manager provided a succinct summary of the project's progress. Widespread. Distributed over a large area. The virus has become widespread, affecting many countries. CITE. Instance. The student must cite reliable sources in their research paper.